Pollution is like a silent thief, creeping into our ecosystems and stealing away the balance of life. Imagine a vibrant forest teeming with birds, insects, and plants. Now picture that same forest choked with plastic waste and suffocated by toxic chemicals. The effects of pollution on ecosystems are profound and far-reaching. Let's start with water pollution. When chemicals from factories and agricultural runoff seep into rivers and lakes, they disrupt aquatic life. Fish and other organisms struggle to survive in contaminated waters. Algal blooms, fueled by excess nutrients, can create dead zones where life cannot thrive. This not only affects the creatures living there, but also the birds and mammals that rely on these water sources for food. Then there's air pollution. It's not just a city problem. It affects rural areas too. When we burn fossil fuels, we release harmful particles into the air. These particles can travel long distances, settling on plants and soil. This contamination can lead to respiratory issues in wildlife and disrupt the delicate balance of ecosystems. Trees, which are vital for absorbing carbon dioxide, can suffer from weakened health, making them less effective at combating climate change. Soil pollution is another critical issue. Pesticides and heavy metals can accumulate in the ground, affecting the plants that grow there. These plants are the foundation of food chains, and if they're contaminated, the entire ecosystem can collapse. Herbivores that consume these plants may become ill, and predators that rely on them for food will find themselves in trouble too. Let's not forget about the impact on biodiversity. Pollution can lead to habitat loss and fragmentation. Species that can't adapt to changing environments face extinction. This loss of biodiversity weakens ecosystems, making them less resilient to changes like climate change or disease outbreaks. A diverse ecosystem is like a well-balanced orchestra. If you lose a few instruments, the music becomes dissonant. And what about the effects on humans? We're not separate from these ecosystems. Polluted environments can lead to contaminated food and water sources, impacting our health. The cycle of pollution doesn't just harm wildlife. It circles back to us, affecting our communities and future generations. In conclusion, pollution is a complex issue that affects every aspect of our ecosystems. From the tiniest microorganisms in the soil to the largest mammals in the ocean, all are interconnected. Understanding these effects is crucial if we want to protect our planet and ensure a healthy environment for all living beings. It's time to take action and be stewards of our ecosystems, because the health of our planet is in our hands.